Hello and welcome to traders and investors, and I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Here is Laurie Bailey with EURUSD currency pair forecast. Let's have a look. Following the release of US data on personal consumption expenditures and personal income, from Friday, the dollar index increased by 0.35%. The euro declined by 30 points, setting below the 1.1085 level. The decline paused at the peak level from August 14. Additionally, the signal line of the Marlin oscillator has reached the boundary of the decline trend territory and suggests a potential correction. However, the main reason for the strengthening of the bulls is the stock market indices are aiming to set new historical records. If the stock market continues to rise, the euro is unlikely to reach the target support of 1.0950. As the MACD line approaches to this level, it becomes key in shifting the trend to a medium-term downtrend. Today is a holiday in the US and Canada, and with the ECB expected to lower rates in 10 days, the euro may not challenge the 1.0950. Today and tomorrow, the euro will likely test the resistance level at 1.1085. A subsequent attempt to reach 1.1010 is possible, as the price is currently trading within the range of 1.1010–1.1085. Declining commodity prices in the local situation will help the dollar. On the 4-hour chart, the price and oscillator have formed a small but significant convergence, indicating a potential correction. We expect the price to reach the indicated level of 1.1085. Let's trade with the MACD indicator. It's time for GBPUSD. Jakub Novak presents. You could plan to buy the pound today if the price reached around 1.3155, targeting a rise to 1.3182. At around 31.82, you can plan to exit the position and also sell the pound in the opposite direction, aiming for a movement of 30-35 points from the level. It is unlikely that the pound will experience strong growth today, but a correctional base on the positive data is possible. Before buying, ensure that the MACD line indicator is above the zero line, and just starting its upward movement from it. You could also plan to buy the pound today if the price tests 1.3127 twice when the MACD indicator is in an oversold area. This will limit the pair's downward potential and lead to a market reversal upward. Expect growth to the level of 1.3155 and 31.82. You could plan to sell the pound today after the price updates 1.3127, which will lead to a rapid decline in the pair. The key target for sellers will be 1.3093. At this level, you could plan to exit the position and immediately buy in the opposite direction, aiming for a movement of 20-25 points from the level. Selling the pound can be done after unsuccessful attempts by buyers to return above 31.55 and weak manufacturing statistics. Before selling, ensure that the MACD indicator is below the zero line. and just starting its downward movement from it. You could also plan to sell the pound today if the price tests 1.3155 for the 2 consecutive price tests. And at the MACD indicator at this time should be in the overbought area. This will limit the past upward potential and lead to a market reversal downward. Expect a decline to the levels of 1.3127 and 1.3093. We've got a technical analysis for crude oil commodity asset. Arif Makmur presents. With the appearance of deviations between the price movement of crude oil commodity asset and the awesome oscillator indicator, on the 4-hour chart, it confirms that in the near future CL, as long as it does not weaken again below the level of 72.80, has the potential to strengthening, where if the level of 75.38 is successfully broken, it will potentially bring CL to strengthening to the level of 76.90. Even if the momentum and volatility is supported, the level of 79.95 will be the next target to aim for. That's all for today. Wish you best of luck.